Hi, my name's Ellie Mackay and I'm the CEO and founder of Ellipsis Earth. I'm also honoured to be a judge for the Airwards. The Airwards are such an important project because they recognise the positive impact that so many different projects are having on the world across a wide range of industries. We've been so impressed by this year's entries, especially the range of diverse technologies and applications of aerial technology, proving that this industry is only just beginning. And it now gives me great pleasure to announce the winner of the Conservation and Environment Award in the Giving Back group. And the winner is Oceans Alliance for their project Snotbot, Drones for Whale Research. This was a brilliant entry and an incredible project. Do check them out, and massive thanks to everyone who entered. See you next year.
My name is Ian Kerr and I'm CEO of Ocean Alliance, and we are over the moon to be an Airwards winner. It's so exciting that Airwards is looking beyond the commercial use of drones to wildlife conservation. Snotbot is a drone that basically just collects whale exhalation or snot, and from that we can understand the animal and population health. So thank you all again to Airwards. It's a challenging time for those that are in the wildlife conservation business, so this is a great shot in the arm for all of us. Thank you.